Hello there everyone and welcome to Stechford Railway Station, and to kick things off we see the departure of 350-267 working the 0857 West Midlands Railway service from Rugeley Trent Valley through to Birmingham International. Arriving next into the station is 350-234, working the 0901 West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham International through to Rugeley Trent Valley. First up to fly through for cross country is 220013 and 220017, working 1 Oscar 08 from Manchester Piccadilly through to Bournemouth. Next up, passing fast for London Northwestern Railways 350-238 and 350-101, working 1 Yankee 13 from Milton Keynes Central through to Birmingham New Street. Next flying fast through the station is 350-116 and 350-235, working 1 Yankee 26 for London Northwestern Railway from Birmingham New Street to London Euston, going via Northampton. Passing fast for Transport for Wales is 158827 and 158819, working 1 Delta 12 from Birmingham International through to Holyhead. Next up, running 36 minutes late, is 390-010, working 9p47 from London Euston through to Blackpool North. Whilst passing fast right behind that is 390-039, working 9G07 for Avanti West Coast from London Euston through to Birmingham New Street. Adding just a little bit of colour to the video, it's 390-119, working 9 Alpha 31 for Avanti West Coast from Lancaster through to London Euston. Arriving next into the station is 350-266, working the 0931 West Midlands Railway service from Rugeley Trent Valley through to Birmingham International. Whilst going in the opposite direction is 350-267, working the 0931 West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham International through to Rugeley Trent Valley. Next to fly fast through the station for London Northwestern Railways 350, 377 and 350, 109, working 1 Yankee 15 from London Euston through to Birmingham New Street. Also passing fast for London Northwestern Railways 350, 101 and 350, 238, working 1 Yankee 28 from Birmingham New Street to London Euston, going via Northampton. Next passing fast for Transport for Wales is 158841 and 158838, working 1 Indigo 06 from Crewe and Wrexham General to Birmingham International. Next up, passing fast for Avanti West Coast, running about 8 minutes late, is 221101 and 221102, working 9 Golf 08 from London Euston through to Birmingham New Street. Next up, passing fast for Avanti West Coast is 390.039, working, where is it, 1 Bravo 32 from Birmingham New Street through to London Euston. Also passing fast for Avanti West Coast is 390.153, working 9 Sierra 54 from London Euston through to Edinburgh Waverley. And to take us on to our next station, here comes 350.231. Working the 0958 West Midlands Railway service from Rugeley Trent Valley through to Birmingham International.
I'm a gambler at heart. Let's go gamble.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.